Kellen, where are you from? And what about your experience here in Tarso?
Hello, I'm Kellen Meyer, and I am a fiber artist and sculptor from Santa Barbara, California. My experience here in Tarso has been incredible. I'm living with two very amazing artists, and it's been a really fun experience for that. I'm grateful to Mocha Italia and Arte Laguna and Laura and Michaela for all the beautiful things that they have shown us, from hikes up the mountains to the Sagra last week and dancing with the locals. It's been really incredible, and I'm so grateful to be here in Tarso.
And what about the work that you are going to do here in Tarso?
Yes, the piece that I did here was very material based. I wanted to have a connection to the area through the land and the people utilizing Italian organic organza. And so with this being a very living landscape here with the green hills and the vineyards and the rainstorms and thunder that we've had, and the just beautiful clouds that would come and sit down on the mountains and in the valleys, I was really inspired by that. So I have invited the clouds to come in and rest with us just for a little bit, for a moment, in the portico archway here for Cortili d'Arte.
And what do you think about the message of the art between people?
Can you clarify that?
Yes.
Excuse me.
What do you think about the message that art can give
Yes.
to people?
Yes. Often my art is very nature-based, and I like to not so much capture nature as to collaborate with nature. And so this piece in particular is kind of bringing nature inside for just a moment and kind of taking the wild outdoors and connecting us, for I do think that that connection with nature is truly important, and you can see that so clearly here in this beautiful town.